Hello. Okay, I'm gonna do a nerdy thing, and I thought it might be helpful for others to see how to do nerdy things like this. So that is, I am going to create a bunch of SFTs, so semi-fungible tokens, and send them to a few people at once. I'm doing this on the MultiversX network, where it's very, very easy and quite cheap to do all of this. And I thought I'll let you follow along in case you want to do something like this at some point. First step, of course, would be to have a wallet. I have already created one. We're using the Xportal app, a very, very convenient way of accessing all of this stuff to log in to my NFT creation wallet here. You can see eGold has been performing well. We want to create an NFT, or in this case an SFT. So first thing is selecting this, and then we are creating a new collection. We'll call it Christmas collection, Christmas surprise, I think. Mode 10, well, Christmas, can I do this? Christmas 23. No, I can't. Okay, only alphanumeric. Good to know. Christmas special? That's also too many words, letters. Correct? Yeah. Christmas. 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 How many? Christmas. That's 10. Christmas surprise. Okay, great. We have SFTs, we have the collection name, we have the collection ticker. We're gonna make them, I don't think I need any of this. Freezable, pausable, wipeable, transferable. Maybe this could be helpful. I don't want to wipe them, I don't want to freeze them, I don't want to pause them. This all seems good. This is just a fun collection. So you can see it costs 0.05 EGLD to create this. I'm now confirming this on the wallet. So that is going through now. Once this is done, which should only take a few seconds, we're going to go to the next step. In my case, it takes a little bit longer because this is a very, very old wallet that is on a different shard. MultiversX is a multi-shard network, and if you're going cross-shard, like we are in this case, it can take a little bit longer. So now we have this done. Now we can create this SFT. We set a role here. Yeah, I don't think we need a burn function, although maybe we want it to make it more rare down the line. Let's see again the costs of doing this. It's like 4 cents in this case. I'm signing this on my phone. And again, now after creating the collection and setting the role, it's gonna be pretty easy. My goal is to do all of this in under 10 minutes, but of course I'm like talking through it as well, so it might be a little bit longer than this. But if we can create a collection, create an NFT, and send it to about 50 people within 10 minutes, that would be pretty cool. Okay, we're creating this NFT now. Still setting the role. And are watching. Oh, this is nice. I have 0.69 eGold available. I think I've already done this, yeah. So, okay. I think I can just go here, create NFT. I can now go select this. So, again, let me slow down. Create NFT. now we have a collection already, right? So here's the newest one. This is the one I want to use. Now, set a name for the NFT, or SFT in this case. Merry Little Christmas. I'm going to create 69 of them. Royalties will be 6.9%. Should be less than 20. Okay. Merry Little. Yeah, okay. So, tags, Christmas. Christmas. A Merry Little Christmas to you. Well, see, this is why it's going to take longer than wishing you. There you go. Oh my God. So, now you select the file. I have already done that. I don't know where I put it, of course. Let me put it off screen for a second. Yeah, find your file. Ideally, I had that prepared, but okay. Here is the file. All I do is drag it in here, and it's loaded. So now I can mint it. And to do that, all I do is click. And now it's uploading. This is quite a large file, so I'm actually curious how this is going to work out. This is about 15 megabytes. Times 69, it's quite a few. Confirming this, now that it's uploaded, and now it's issuing the SFT. We can look at this on the blockchain as well. Looks like it's already done. It cost exactly 5 cents to create all of these. That's pretty cool. Okay, so now we should have this in our wallet. We can just go here and look for this collection. I have a lot of stuff here. What do we call it? Christmas? No, yeah, something. Oh, damn. Here it is. Merry Little Christmas. 69 of these SFTs exist. Now, we're going to grab this, which is the token identifier, and I'll tell you what to do with that in a second. This is part of the process, I think. I'm doing this for the first time, so this is me figuring this out in real time. So now if we want to send this thing, which is a little SFT, to a certain number of people, or to one group of people, in this case I'm sending it to the mysterious members of the OG DAO, all we do is go to the collection. This is XOXNO. Find the collection, could be any. Shout out to all these projects doing well here. Go to analytics and export this list. Now, I've already done this, and here are the addresses, and here's the NFT I want to send, and I want to send it to all of these people. So, got that. I'm going to save it, and now the next step is to go to xBulk. Here I'll also walk you through this. Same thing happens. You log in with the exporter wallet, scan this QR code, boom, I'm in, and now I want to distribute, and I want to distribute it to this list that I just updated with the new NFT ticker, and I just do this, I think, and now I hope this works. I hope this just works, honestly. Enter the list of the NFTs and the addresses you want to send to. Okay. Maybe we have to put it the other way around. Usernames. Okay. Well, that's okay. Great that we're doing this together. I'm just gonna take this, put it here for a sec, and put the addresses here. And hope this works. Can get rid of this altogether. Demonstrate my German skills here. Okay, great. So now we have this. We'll save again. Let's see if this works. Upload. Okay, I think this is the new list. No, it's not. No, this is not the upload, the new one. Okay, well, let's just go back. NFT distribution, uploading. Now, okay, next. Jesus Christ! Insert one address per line. Enter the list of NFTs. Insert the list of addresses in NFTs. What might be the issue here? Enter the, oh. I mean, this, okay. Let's go back. Is it just, this would be such a typical, issue, right? Where the only difference between what I did and what this thing wants is a semicolon rather than a comma. Let's try it with these first three addresses. Oh my goodness, I'm a genius. Okay, we're on 12 minutes already, but this is how it works. Now I can just send it. I mean, I don't really want to put you through having to watch this, so feel free to just skip. But I also don't want to do this twice, so sorry about that. We'll do this by hand. So this is me not just doing this in about 10 minutes, a little bit longer, admittedly. Or maybe we're still on 10 minutes with all the talking in between or in the beginning. This is also me like doing this in 10 minutes, including a little bug search, yeah? So that is pretty fast. And we can add maybe in the very end here the totals of the gas fees, all of this costs. I assume it's gonna stay under $1, except I think maybe the creation of the collection cost 0.05 EGLD, which currently is probably quite a bit more than $1. Other than that, it was very, very fast, simple, and cheap. Oh God, I hope I didn't fuck things up here. Great. Should I talk about anything else while I do this task that I hope robots will do for us in the future? Well, Merry Christmas. It is the 24th of December when I'm recording this. This is why this surprise is going out to some of my friends. And there we go. Number of transactions, 48. I'm only calling this, signing this transaction here once. I just hit send, and now it should, did I click it? It's probably just processing here. So now I just will sign a transaction, and it should send this amazing Christmas SFT to all these people. Thanks to the MultiversX wallet, XOXNO marketplace for finding the addresses, and this bulk distribution tool called xBulk. Still waiting here. Not sure if I should hit send again. I am still connected. Curious what the issue might be here. Certainly I don't have to click 48 times, I don't think. It could be the size of the SFT. Taking a moment to kind of load up. I think that's a genuine possibility. Let's see on the blockchain maybe how large these things are. This IFPS. Yeah, that's it, but that's a secret. Let's see. Still waiting for this. Maybe one address per line. Next. And send. There is. I wonder if there is. Maybe this should be the identifier. Oh boy. Okay, well, go here. I don't think this really matters, but okay. You might have different. Let's see. Okay. The R semi-fungible, so, back. Oh, list NFT identifier. Yeah, okay. Now I'm not sure if this is all gonna be one. I think I'll try that first. Okay. Well, this is now a video about how to do this in 20 minutes. But let's see. It really would make sense if I did this probably just once at this point, like just to see if it works with a few addresses. But I'm a stubborn person, what can I say? It's interesting how big of a difference the type of letters that you have in your wallet address, how much shorter and longer they can be depending on that. In terms of width, not in terms of, because I believe it's all the same amount of letters and numbers, just different width. Like, you know, if you have a lot of M's in there, it's just going to be wider. And if you have a lot of L's in there, it's going to be a lot more narrow. Fascinating. Okay. Boy, do we pray that this is... If this supports uploading CSV, I'm a little bit surprised that it wouldn't do the semicolon rather than the comma. Please. Yes, there we go. I just have to sign this transaction, which I'm doing. It cost me 80 cents total. I'm now clicking, by the way, I didn't know this would happen, but I'm clicking 48 times, which is due to, you know, me sending 48 tokens. And that's why this still isn't signed, but it's very quick. I don't have the fancy tech that lets me like show my phone screen at the same time, but it's also very boring because I'm just pressing the same button 48 times. And now I'm signing the transaction. Okay, and here goes. Let's see. Look at this. 48 transactions. And I will, because, I mean, this has taken way too long anyway. I have no idea if I'll ever upload this. But we will just kind of do some quick maths on how much this entire thing costs. Here you can see transaction fee is about 58 cents for all of these transactions. They've now gone through. I have also received one, which is great because I should be on this list. So if we go to the Explorer here and look at my account, we can kind of add up how much it costs. So this is the most expensive. This was issuing the thing, so that cost us 0.05, so $3.62 at its current price of $72. And then everything after that was, you know, shows it as zero here, but we'll go through the pain of looking at it. This was 6 cents, so we're still at $3.60 total. This was another 6 cents, so let's say $3.70. This failed for whatever reason, and here we have 5 cents. Here we have the bulk send, and that is how much was this? 58 cents. So we did all of this for a tiny bit more than $4, creating 69 NFTs or SFTs in this case, and sending them to about 50 different people. That's it. I hope you enjoyed this. Sorry, I might just cut out some of the parts, but maybe it's also instructive to see this. Thanks, and Merry Christmas.